This is part number AE13702-003 Silicone Liquid End Dip. It is described as a 1-quart container that is aerospace grade silicone end dip. It is used in the repair of minor scuffs or abrasions and to seal the ends of protective fire sleeve cover. Search the part number on hosewarehouse.com or click the link in the description below for instant pricing and to purchase. This item is stocked in Akron, Ohio in the United States. Note that a lead time will apply to this item because there is a shelf life. Find your best pricing by visiting the wholesale website www.hosewarehouse.com.